Audio Jungle.
Talking about marketing, that was certainly your background, and you're certainly an expert in marketing and laundromat marketing. You've spoken on it in a number of events. What are some best practices that you could tell laundry owners regarding uh, retaining customers, attracting customers? What are a few things that you can share?
Uh, it's changed. So,
Hmm.
in my time at CLA, the conversation was really, you need to name your store. Believe it or not, that was the conversation, and yes,
I
you should be
know.
on Facebook and Yelp and Google.
Hmm.
That was, maybe you should have a website. That was really the conversation.
Right.
Marketing has changed so much, the internet has changed so much, and now we've
Hmm.
got these things called smartphones that have been around for quite a good period of time. And so all of those things have really impacted um,
Hmm.
how owners need to market their businesses.
Hmm.
Uh, so I would say actually that owners really need to do all of it for a period
Hmm.
of time. I had a client who did just a really outstanding job of marketing his business. He needed to acquire a lot more customers and grow. And, you know, he really turned his business around. But what it took was him really getting out there and doing all of it, the digital marketing and offline marketing strategies
Hmm.
and networking,
Hmm.
and just promoting his business throughout his community.
Hmm.
And he would always talk about that, and say, you have to do all of it, you have to do all of it. And it's
Hmm.
like, you don't necessarily have to do all of it forever, but you
Hmm.
need to do all of it for a period of time until um, the awareness about your business is there, and
Hmm.
until you're really, reliably acquiring customers every month.
Hmm.
And so I think that's the most important part. A lot of times owners will just focus on digital,
Hmm.
but depending on the market, there could be some really entrenched competitors, and so that could be a strategy that takes a while to
Right.
take off, especially if there's a heavy SEO component to it.
Mhm.
So that's why you also would want to focus on offline marketing strategies.
Mhm,
And those can take a little bit more effort on the part of a owner,
mhm,
but they're really important. And honestly, the ROI can be better on some of those offline strategies, but it takes, time, focus, and attention.